So today we're working with a very special color. Right here, as you can see, is Blurple. Blurple is one of the most saturated base colors that we have. And we almost used it in last week's video. We put up a poll for you guys to vote. We were doing Copper Ghost over a specific base. And Blurple just barely lost to Shadow Gray. And if you look at the comments in that video, a ton of people wanted us to use Blurple. I got you. This week we're doing Blurple. What's going on top of the Blurple, you ask? Well, I can provide a partial answer to that. This is a brand new HyperShift that we've never used. It's ZGY HyperShift, white powder HyperShift. And when it comes down to what colors this powder produces, Gabe, do you know? Because I don't. It's a mystery pearl. We're gonna get surprised along with you guys today when we put this pearl on top. We're gonna start here with glossy dip pearl top coat because we want that clarity and that extra sheen on this project. And as far as the pearl, we had a pretty long discussion on what kind of pearl load or pigment load we wanted to do here. We kind of bounced back and forth between 5 grams per gallon all the way up to 12.5 grams per gallon when we split 25 in half. We landed on 10 grams per gallon. Here's my fear. When you're using a light base coat like a white or an avalanche gray, you can use a lot more white base pearl because it's not being activated as quickly. When you have a dark, deep base like black or Blurple in this case, the white powder color or HyperShift is going to be activated a lot faster, a lot more intensely. So you can really run the risk of too much pearl, which can cause a whole bunch of different application issues. So we're going to go with 10 grams a gallon and hope that we're in the sweet spot there. So right off the bat, I can start seeing some green highlights kind of popping. This seems to be kind of a mid-sized particle. I do see quite a bit of sparkle in there. It's not as small as some of the other ones. It's not kind of like that baking flour vibe. It's kind of in the middle. Very strong green highlights. Do you see anything else? I don't really see. You see some gold, so some green and gold. Let me try my famous black mixing stick trick here so that I can make a mess of the floor and give you guys little to zero information. Now, what do you see? Because I see green, gold. On the extreme, are you seeing a little bit of like, I don't know. It's really hard to tell, but this is kind of the fun of it, right? ZGY going over Blurple right now. All right, guys, we're done with the project. Now, we throw together colors and combos all year, year after year, and we never really know what we're gonna get. And once in a while, you get an end result that just kicks you right in the gut, and you didn't see it coming. This might be the hardest, craziest shift that we've made in almost 11 years. We're gonna get right to the point. We're gonna go outside right now, and we're gonna check this car out. I want you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Rate this car from 1 to 5. I never tell you guys what I personally rate these cars and colors because I don't want to influence your personal opinion. This one for me is a fat 5, like a massive, hefty, fat 5. I love it. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. Tons of colors and kits to choose from. We did use the brand new, massively improved G4 sprayer system in this video. Link in the description box below to that as well. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy the end result as much as I do. I'll see you on the next one.